a lot of people said that I was going back to my my roots. I put that in quotation marks, that I'm going back to my roots, and honestly, I think I am. Also, if you recognize, why am I talking with the game volume mixed in? And that is simply because, well, I found out a new method to make my videos. I really think it's gonna help me, and I'm sorry if I sound terrible right now. I have a stuffy nose. Plus it's like 1:30 in the afternoon. Do I have my supply drops? Oh, I do. Nice. I'll open the supply drop real quick. Yeah. Something epic? Probably not, because I'm not that lucky. Nope, look at that. Nice. Yeah, so, you know, we're just gonna go ahead and hop in the lobby and ignore that. I guess we'll play some domination. They said they were gonna patch a bunch of stuff for Call of Duty in the upcoming update. I have no idea when it is, but they said they were. Am I in a party? Let me make sure. Yeah, okay. Don't want anyone to hear me talk. Oh no, God. But they said they're patching a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure what. There's a whole list I read, but I didn't really read it for the video because I didn't want to talk about that in the video. I just kind of wanted to mention it, so to speak. But I do want to talk about my most viewed video, and a lot of people said they have their, like, saying I just hit my mic, so if you heard that, I'm sorry. I'll try to cut it out or something, I don't know. But they said that my most viewed video was, and I actually have a YouTube creator studio up. They said it was the Gran Turismo 6 video I uploaded, which was... Can I even click on that to see when I uploaded that? It was definitely not 2 months ago, but that was the last comment. Is there a way to see when I uploaded this? Probably not. It was a good while ago. Yeah, it was definitely a good while ago. Anyways, either way, it has 151 views in total, and that's a lot for me. I'm just gonna go red gun, honestly, because I'm not trying to snipe right now. It's too late. But oh yeah, they said they were gonna fix this. Sorry, I just had to mention that. Totally off topic. Sorry about that. But they said they were gonna fix this right here. But no, people have been saying that's my most viewed video. Don't get me wrong, I have a couple hundred views in the video. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total views from 100, and holy, I have not played COD in a while. But no, I have that many videos with 100 views, and my most viewed video actually is not even that. It's just who did I die by? It's surprisingly enough, it's none of those. It's putting a body kit on the SM95 on Forza, and that thing has, that killed him on the cry. Yep, alright. It has 326 views and still getting views to this day, and I uploaded that like so long ago. I think it's been over a year now. I think I'm lagging. But yeah, that's my most viewed video. I wish it was a bigger video or something, but oh, okay, watch out of that guy. But I wish it was like a bigger viewed video, but at the same time I don't, because I don't get paid for this. If you guys don't know, I don't know why I thought I could survive that, but alright. Why do I have an RPG? Oh, it's not really an RPG. Screw it. Where's he at? I'll blow him up. But yeah, a lot of people still say I get paid for this. I wish. It's coming soon. I don't know how soon. Hopefully real soon. Not sure when though. Oh, okay. That gun, I don't even know, bro. Like, I'm so tired, I don't even know what's going on. I'm going negative, and well, am I? No, I'm not. I can't read. That's my excuse. What's yours? But no, like, honestly, it's crazy. Like, my channel has over 7,000 total views, which is outrageous. And when I first did this as a hobby, I never expected to get that many views in total. Like, I was thinking, oh yeah, I'm just gonna do this for like a month because it's a hobby. I'm not even gonna get 100 views, and then I'm gonna get out of here. That's not what happened. They said they were gonna fix this too. I'm sorry, I just had to mention that because that's annoying, to be honest. But they said they were gonna fix that, and also back to topic. I'm so crazy right now. But they said they're. Why do I keep saying these? All right, calm down. It's fine. But no, I said. Or, what was I talking about? I don't even know, man. I'm so tired. You know what? This is turning into a rambling video. I don't care. I will throw a grenade. I'm dead. Oh my god. You guys are gonna give me the map. Okay, never mind. Good thing I have a suppressor because his teammates are probably coming around the corner.
Closing with aim.
I don't know about you guys, but when I'm playing COD, oh, I'm getting hit. When I play COD and I hear people walking in the headset, it scares me. Oh, but oh, and it's halftime, and I've only been streaming or making this video for 6 minutes. But that's my most viewed video, if anyone was wondering, because I've been wondering myself, and I haven't really taken a look at my most viewed videos here lately. Like, the run montage I did forever ago, and I do mean forever ago, that had to be that was probably back in either 2013 or 2015. So, yeah, that's crazy. That's a Black Ops 2 montage, if you guys were wondering. I would not recommend to go, like, I wouldn't even go view it right now. I mean, it's just kind of a bad video. Well, not bad video, it's a good video. I have a good clip. Okay, I thought there was someone in front of me, but apparently not. But it's not a bad video, like, it's a good video. But at the same time, the quality, because I was uploading on a phone, like I was just using a phone to record. That was my camera at the time. So yeah, that's probably why it's so terrible. But it's also got a copyrighted song on it that I'm kind of glad YouTube has not copyrighted striked me for. I don't know how it works anymore, to be honest. I mean, it's crazy. Like, everything just works different now. Ever since they updated their terms of services, it updated. Alright, camping in the corner. Back to COD, everyone. I am going negative because I don't know what to do. I am tired. And it says I'm lagging, but I'm not. And I'm sorry if the stream gets, or the video gets blurry at any moment. Where's it at? I'll shoot it down. I don't know where it's at. Can you look at this? Oh, you can. Oh my god. That's a beast. Oh my god, I'm done. Oh man, I feel so bad. Oh, I think I'm losing my voice now. But yeah, that's my most viewed videos, and I died by a shotgun. Yeah. That's why I can't play COD, honestly. Just kidding. I like COD now. Like, back in the day, it was kind of annoying to me, but this isn't so bad. Like, there's a couple of noobs here and there, but not a lot. I don't understand. Why can't I kill him, but he can kill me? Like, we were shooting at the same time. What? I don't understand. Tossing grenades over here, though.
They're taking Baker.
But I had a video planned for today. That guy is on fire. I had a video planned for Thursday or Saturday, and it was me getting 1,000 kills on this sniper, which I have 1,100, almost 1,200 now, but that's what it was at the time. Can I kill this guy? Alrighty then.
They're taking Baker.
Go on. I had to reload. Oh, and I fell off.
Enemy bomb incoming. Get to cover.
I feel like that's gonna kill me. Yay, it didn't kill me.
They're taking Baker. Enemy recon
They're
aircraft
taking
observed.
Baker. Okay, that guy's pretty dumb, to be honest. Sorry I got quiet there. I kind of just went concentrating mode, and I'm falling off.
Emergency airdrop inbound. Stock
Kill him,
up and
teammate.
continue the advance.
Nice. But, I have no idea what I'm talking about now, like, honestly. This kind of turned into me rambling or something. That guy's on fire. But, yeah, that's my most viewed video for anyone else wondering. Don't know why you would wonder. I know a lot of people said that I was at,
All positions secure.
but it wasn't. It was actually,
Counter recon airborne.
yeah, body cam
Anti-aircraft
video. I don't
bursts
even know
commence.
why that's
Targeting enemy
happening
aircraft.
years.
They're capturing Charlie. Firing battery 1.
I feel like this guy
Target
just walked
confirmed.
through there, seen me, and then ran out. He just wasn't about that way. Anyone else see that barrel stuff that totally missed? Because I don't understand that either. And we won. Nice.
Great
Well, I
work.
think that's going to end
They
the
are in
video. I know
full
I went
retreat.
negative. I just wanted to make this video because, well, you know, and this kill cam is the worst. Quick scope. But yeah, that's my most viewed video. I'll try to take a screenshot, but it does a thumbnail or something. Try to Photoshop it, make it say I got like 3 million views, and make you guys click on it. Just kidding. If you're watching this video, I didn't do that. So yeah, guys, it's been your boy, that one car guy. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.